Hello everyone, welcome to Lornas.Cookin. I'm Lorna. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Today I'm sharing a quick video of one of the projects I've been working on since January. I love to garden. My daughter used to do some of the gardening with me, but other projects have come up, so I've been pretty much keeping it going myself. Well, with the help of my husband, for the heavy lifting. So I wanted to show you kind of what I've been doing, or one of the things I've been doing since the beginning of this year. This is the area in the back corner of my yard. Most of the vegetables will be grown there. There are other areas of my back and side yards where I will be growing plants, but those will be container gardening. Yes, I'm doing some container gardening. And they're in areas where either there's cement and I can't, of course, dig into the ground, or they're just areas where there's not really good soil. So the container gardening is great. I am excited because most of the plants I've been able to start from seed, and I've allowed them to germinate indoors. You probably are wondering, what am I growing? I'm growing tomatoes. So far, 4 different kinds of tomatoes. I still have 4 collard green plants that my dad gave my daughter last year, and they're growing in the backyard. My dad is like a master gardener. He has been gardening way before I even was born, and so he shared some of his plants with my daughter last year. And the collard greens are doing great. Actually, one of them is about 4 feet tall. I'm growing 3 kinds of kale, 3 kinds of lettuce, bunching onions, which are just like the green onions that you get in the grocery store. I'm growing carrots, beets, radish, 2 kinds of cucumbers, marigold flowers, of course, different kinds of herbs, and spinach, zucchini, yellow crookneck squash. And I know I'm forgetting something, but you get the picture. Here are some of the vegetables I grew last year. I want to encourage you, if you haven't already, start growing your own vegetables. It's not too late to start. Many plants can be grown in containers if you don't have a backyard. If you are in an area that is still cold or freezing in March, you can still start the plants inside until the outside gets warm enough to replant them. Also, gardening is very therapeutic. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Take care.